Hello, fifth grade. For our science today, we're going to take a look at another Generation Genius video. This one is dealing with renewable versus non-renewable resources. We're going to try this a little differently. On either a sheet of paper, in your science notebook, or in a Google Docs, before you watch this video, I want you to come down to the discussion questions. You might have to drop down the menu. And I want you to answer these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 questions about before the video. Then you'll come up and watch. After, you'll come and answer the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions of after the video. Remember, you can either do this in a Google Docs, and you'll title it Renewable versus non-renewable resources. You can do R, V, N, R, and then your name, and you can share that with me, or you can do it on a sheet of paper in your science notebook and share it to me on Seesaw. Then, once you've done the before, watched the video, done the after, we aren't going to come down and do a game. What I want us to do instead is I want us to do a quick little presentation about what we learned when it comes to renewable and non-renewable resources. How I would like us to do that is in a Google Slides. Now, you might have all the information that you already need just from the video. But you might think, hey, I want to research a little bit more from the internet and come up with a few more facts about renewable and non-renewable resources, and that's totally fine. Just make sure that at the end of your slides, if you decide to use other websites, that you have a sources. The last slide is a sources slide, and you include the URLs, the website names for those. So for your presentation, we can do the renewable versus non-renewable resources. And I'll say my name. Whoops, gotta capitalize, just so that I know whose it is. And then you'll get to work. All that you're basically doing in these slides is sharing what you learned, some important things about renewable and non-renewable resources, why we should use one over the other, etc. Have fun with this. Show me what you know. Again, if you do want to use some additional research, you need to have a sources page at the end with the websites that you used. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I think this should all go pretty smoothly. I know a few of us at the beginning, when we were coming into here, we were having some issues of seeing the questions. Hopefully we can all find the questions today. Just look at the discussion questions and that drop down menu. Make sure you do before the video before, watch it, do after the video after. All right, bye.